Hi, welcome back. Thank you to everybody who subscribed to the channel. It's much appreciated. We are going to be shooting 4 different types of calibre: .177, .20, .22 and .25. We are going to see the effect these guns have on different types of target. No living targets will be shot. I hope you enjoy. These are all legal limit air guns in the UK. This is the HW95 with a .25 barrel. This is a fridge door. It has been removed from the rest of the fridge. There's no components in this door that could cause any explosions. We're going to shoot this fridge door with a .25 airgun and see what damage it does. This is the dent where the pellet is bounced off. It has not penetrated through the door. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the videos. Please consider subscribing.